Hey boos, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, Jesus! Oh. Hey boos, you're frightening me. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I am going to fix up for the Christmas. Even though I don't celebrate Christmas for religious reasons, I am going to still do something. So this is the before, and you also see the after. So just stay tuned to the end of this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. Why are you frightened me like that? I say it's like, whew.
The things just came out and I let it all out. I wasn't going to hold none, I think. Me no.
I don't want y'all to say I'm cheap. I'm putting on the same wig from my birthday. Yeah. So I have a wig bun. I didn't have one first. My Jolly Fair organic ear growth oil, which I'm gonna rub in my ear before I start. Concealer that matches my skin. And this is a spray, adhesive spray. It's not really a glue, but it's a spray. Yeah, Wonderlay Spawn adhesive spray. My hair just washed, guys. I never brush it or comb. Just comb it out a little bit. My hair is growing, look at it. You can get this at Glamaholic or online at Jolly Fair here. Wig cap, I think it's too light, but this is the only one that almost matches my skin tone, so I got it. Makeup kit, not really much in it. Second one, yeah, I use that concealer here. Oh my, no, hell no. Now I have to pull the new one because it's closest. Oh, this piece on top of. Oh, this are the plastic. Oh my god. Don't ask me what I'm doing. I'm gonna use a spray. Yo, this feels firm. That's my heart. I feel like it has sucked it up. Wonderlay Spawn adhesive spray. I just went to get something to eat and I think it's all dry now, so I can start installing. Remember, I'm not a pro. I'm gonna be using the mirror, so I'm gonna turn it out like that. Oh, by the way, guys, these things like this, the razor, the glue, and the concealer, the wig band, and this I got them from Grandma Olive. That's for Mama. This will look right. Guys, what y'all think? I don't think this spray sticks as good as they got to be glue. Maybe it's the same. Stuff really need for like protector. I'm gonna blow dry it and see how it goes. I believe it's all dry now. So I'm just gonna use some, what is this? Good Grip Glaze glue, water base. So like this. Oh, what? Oh my god. Not even read the directions. And it has direction, you know. Expensive, is it? Apply for 14 coat of wig glue to scalp, keeping the same quality. Okay, so 4 coats. That I want just now. Thin coats. I really do the 4 coat thing, you know. Oh. Right. That wig was already cut. I am so happy. It will be so easy for me to install. Remember this? Oh, this one. Yeah, sweet. So I sing it just for you. Take for sure. Sometime before a fool. Best together before y'all don't know this better. Flow gives best to you. Why? Why this not up, sir? Campaign. Oh, it's inside first. Now I'll clip it. Now I'll clip it, I did too tight the last time. I didn't have no adjustable straps. Look at this Adhesive on this one. put on the bun. Oh, we can start it out while the bun is on it. Yeah, simple as that. Oh, it can not up, so it never did not up when we put it on the first time. Maybe I do way to store it. Could be. Most water out. See? It's not just for the weekend, guys, so don't bother mind. Or you know, it's just for the weekend, just for have some on the edge for the weekend. This is not the best installation, and I'm not doing this to teach anyone anything. I'm not a professional, so y'all already know how that goes. So as I said, just for the weekend. So I don't know that's where the baby is there. I don't know. This is it. No baby hairs at the front. He gotta work because the girl ain't got that. Okay? I guess the hair is finished. I'm gonna mousse it up like more, twist it up, wrap it up, and gonna bend. Well, no, I'm gonna do my nails. Tell you if it it does.
A decade boo, channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I'ma make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leaving, so the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, press like, press like, so the numbers can get high, till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret. here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak.
Let's see if you guys can see. There they are. So I'm gonna do my face now, then go to my bed. Yeah, so it's like a night with the kibble. I think I'm not really put that shit what up on my face earlier, you know, cause what is this? Usually when I shower, I'll rub some on my face. And I think I put it on. But let's go do our face routine. I'm gonna use my hair soap. Look at the nails, guys. I did it. That's my shirt. I normally just wet it and go like this because it's my face alone going on. And flat glue, air glue, nail glue, I mean. This is a face brush, massages face. I can use this side. This is a rougher side. Scrub. Alright, gonna let this stay on my face for a while. Gonna rinse now. This is cotton.
Just to dry the face.
Alright, cleaning my nose is very easy. All I use is cotton swab and saline water. So I spray it in the nose, let it run, and then I just go like this first. Next side. Then the next swab is to clean the piercing itself. I'm gonna clean right here around it and under it. At times booger gets stuck there. Now the last thing I'm gonna do before I go to bed is apply my shea butter to my face. This is natural shea butter. Every night I apply shea butter, and I even apply it to my body, not only my face. Right down in the nail. Yeah. And that's how I get clean skin like this. So it's time for me to go to bed. I have work early in the morning and I'm here. Don't even press it. But whatever. See y'all in the next video. Bye.